Hey guys, this is Jared with ProfilesThatPOP, and here's a profile pop-up for Rob. Now that picture really could be better if it were, unless you're really into the sports industry. Betting that you're not, from people just seeing that picture, zoom in on just your face only, and you could even use this picture potentially, but it's probably going to be low pixels and not be as high quality as you need. And then based on your headline, I would say that's not the best picture because I don't see sports in here at all. So we want to know you professionally, seeing you smiling straight ahead. So that was a kind of a bonus thing, but it's not my most important thing. When I was searching for you, I had to type that in, Rob. So it wasn't enough that I typed in Rob W. I had to type in Rob. I had to learn from your profile from I already had it because you asked for a profile pop-up. But then I had to figure out what your last name was and type in SO, which is part of your current company, Sodexo. Because if I do just Rob W., look at all the competition you're having there. So make sure that you are changing your settings to make sure that your full name shows, and also fill in your full name, your last name, if you haven't already. I believe you probably haven't, it's just the settings. So you need those settings to be seen. Also, my biggest thing here would be for you, see, there you go, I'm already having trouble getting back to you here. So I'm typing in, by the way, again, it's the company, Sodexo. That's how the SO, it's how I knew to find you. It's a little hack. You see that SO right there. Now, my other big thing is, in your experience, you often have day-to-day, you see that in here a couple times. We don't care so much about your day-to-day, we care about the results that you did. And you've got lots of good keywords in here, that's good. And even in your About section, you had a bunch of good keywords. But that's my third point. In your About, I am a product manager who helps build amazing products. Maybe instead of saying, I'm a product manager 10 years who helps bring amazing products, helps build them, jump right out and say something more to hook us and make us open that up. I build amazing products, and this is how. Something like that. So anyway, that's about as much as I wanted to get into here today. I'm already at the 2 minutes. Let's talk more about it in the comments below. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good one.